Welcome back. It's Classic Susan, and we are doing our month of December Ipsy unbagging. Let me just start with my add-ons. Of course, I added on some Confidence in an Eye Cream. I just wanted to try it. The Confidence in a Cream was a little bit thick for me, and it didn't really work, so I thought I would try that. I also have the CC cream. We'll see how that works out for me. You know, not to be outdone, I also added the Purlisse BB cream just to see. You know, I wanted to try something a little bit different. Sorry for my voice. I'm a little bit ill, but that's okay. All right. Ooh, let's take out a bag. Okay, let's see what we've got. Wow. Frosty with the green. Ooh, it's a very pretty inside. The bag is green, so let's just reach in and I'll pull out the one choice that I did make. And it's why I don't have hardly any mascara on the top of my eyelashes. It is the Thrive Cosmetics in Bryn, which I have no idea. No idea. So, which is their rich black. But I've heard raves about, okay. Not my favorite kind of applicator. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's just okay. I don't know what everybody was raving about. It's just okay. Yeah, you know, it's new. Maybe after I leave it alone for a week, it'll do better. But there we go, ta-da! Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. There's my one. My second thing is Professional Pearl Primer. You know, it's great to get this. I do like it. I don't use it very often. So, yeah, we'll see if I like the Pearl Primer better. So, it's a good one to get. Then we have this, ooh, Hey Honey, Look Into My Eyes. Retinol and Propolis Eye Mask. Ooh, leave on treatment. Yes, definitely need this in the wintertime. And also at my advanced old lady age. And, ooh, Space Case. Let's see what this Space Case is. I have so much stuff open. Right now I am currently, decluttering in a crazy way. Oh my gosh. Ooh. This is actually a really good color for me. And it is, oh, it is buttery soft. Let's see. Ooh, it actually looks pretty good. It's very complimentary to the color I already have on. So, oh, I like that. Oh, yeah, I'm definitely liking that one. That one is not going, well, definitely not going to be given away. So, I also got the Juliet. Oh, okay. That's weird. I don't. All right. Yeah. I guess. Okay. So, I know I have only 4 items in front of you, and that's because one of them is a perfume, and it is Juliet Has a Gun, and I sprayed it on, and I am, in love with it. I'm probably going to go out and buy it for myself. It's very clean, very reminiscent of Acqua di Gio, not Giola, Baggio from Armani. And yeah, all right, Ipsy. That was a 4 out of 5 bag. Nice job. So December Ipsy is pretty much rocking it. I love it. All right, Ipsy, in case you don't know, this glam bag is $12 a month. It's filled with deluxe sample sizes, and sometimes we get full sizes of lip products or different little products like that. But yeah, this is a nice bag. Thank you, Ipsy. If you would like to get your own Ipsy bag, there is a link in the description box for all of the stuff that I do. But that's it. That's my Ipsy unboxing. I have lots of videos to film. So anyway, you guys have a great day. And remember this, it's makeup. It's not permanent. It washes off. But remember that you are loved. Have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.